Dino right here.
I'm a big deal.
And we are celebrating National Pickle Day with Grillo's Pickles, and you have an amazing recipe for us.
Oh, heck yeah. We are going to do my favorite thing for my buddies coming over for Monday Night Football. I'm going to do the Bears pile-up bacon cheeseburger nachos.
Oh,
and
my
what
God.
I love about that is I'm a big pickle fan, so
can't
I'm going to
tell.
put Grillo's pickles all in this. So we're going to have layers and layers of flavor. And you want to get started?
Yeah, I'm very excited
All
here.
right.
This is going to be amazing.
Okay, so let me go through kind of what I got going here for you and stuff. So we have Tony's fresh made nacho chips, right?
Perfect.
Okay, I browned off some ground beef here.
That's a lot of ground beef
That's
here.
a lot of ground beef.
About how
you're
many
gonna,
pounds?
You're going to see why. This is
Okay.
about 3 pounds.
Okay, got it. Okay.
We might not use it all, but I wanted enough. You know?
Okay, got it.
And I seasoned it with Tony's meat seasoning, steak
I love
seasoning.
that
Do you know
stuff.
why?
I love it. It's
Because
so good.
hamburger isn't
Yeah.
ham, it's steak and stuff. So we want to fill it up with this nice
Very
seasoning
true.
here.
I like that.
Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to build our layers of flavor.
Okay.
I've got this. I got shredded cheese, onions, bacon.
know.
I've got a nice cheese sauce. Oh, look at that! It's like molten lava.
Oh,
right?
my
Look at
goodness.
that, just bubbling and piping.
Oh, my
Okay. And that's a nice cheddar cheese sauce. Okay. So first thing I want is I want a nice big platform.
Okay.
Okay. Because my guys are hungry.
Yeah.
And they want to drink beer, right? And so we're gonna do these layers here, right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to get some ground beef all over this.
Okay.
We're gonna put ground beef throughout this whole thing here. Okay. About half.
About half
Okay.
of it. Okay.
Right? And you're saying why'd you make 3 pounds?
I was wondering.
Well, you're
like-
gonna see. You're gonna see.
Okay.
Because I'm about layers of flavor.
I mean,
right?
you can always make extra sheets of nachos
Right,
too,
extra
so-
sheets of nachos
Yeah.
too, right? Because if it's guys like mine, they're not going to be happy with just a few. All right, so we got this nice hack ground beef.
Perfect.
What I did is I got some extra sharp 3-year aged cheddar found in our deli.
Okay.
This stuff is awesome,
I
like to do a fine shred on it because then it's easier to melt. Okay.
So you're gonna put the not melted cheese on top of the ground beef.
We're gonna put the melted cheese on top of this cheese.
Oh my God.
Right? And stuff. Yeah, this is definitely very healthy for you, right? All right,
Hey,
so we got
for
that
the
cheese
football
on
game.
it. It's for the football
tailgating.
game, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let me turn this off. All right, we got this molten lava cheddar.
Ooh.
Right?
And how much did you use for this?
So I used. It's probably made with about 2 blocks of this cheddar, some heavy cream. Okay. So now we're gonna come over here like this. Okay. We're just gonna ladle this all over the top. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. Wow. Right. Okay. So just all this cheese. All right.
Oh, it smells really good too.
Doesn't it? Okay, so
Oh,
now
my goodness.
with the Grillo pickles, there's a few different types of styles. There's spears, there's slices, there's chips.
Yeah.
All right. So what I like to do first is I like to take the sliced pickles, right?
Oh, we're gonna be using multiple types.
We're going to use multiple types, yes. Okay, so we're
Yellow
gonna,
up here.
yeah, maybe there. There it is. I found it.
Perfect.
So
Okay.
we're going to use multiple types. I take the sliced pickles and I chop them up, right? I get a nice
And
chop
you
on
drain
there.
a little bit of the liquid
I
off,
drain
too.
all the liquid
Okay,
off,
got
okay,
it.
and then we're gonna sprinkle these around, okay?
Oh,
All
it
right,
smells
so we got that.
so good. Give me a
All
little bit of pickles to...
Yeah, you gotta have those pickles on there. Oh, these are my glasses. Yeah. All right, so we got pickles on there, right? Okay, so then next, we're gonna take some onions.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna put that all over the top,
You
okay?
just chopped up like half of a red onion?
Yeah,
Okay.
so this is about a half a red onion.
Got it.
Okay, 1 whole tomato.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
we're gonna put that on there, okay? And we're gonna do this nice,
Look at all those beautiful colors still. Even though it's not,
this
it's just a
nice-
nice treat, but it's got all the colors.
fresh, super crisp bacon, okay?
Ooh.
So we got that bacon on there, right? Okay, so
You gotta have bacon.
gotta have bacon, okay? So now we're gonna get a little crazy, right? Okay, this is the best part because I'm all about layers of flavor. So we're gonna do another layer right on top of this layer. And I'm gonna make a mess here, man. So we're gonna do this, so make sure your kitchen's nice and clean. We're gonna do another layer.
We're gonna need a bigger table for this, guys.
Yeah, we need a bigger table, right? Okay.
All right.
So if you want to hold that
I
for
can
me.
do that.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to do some more ground beef right on top here like this.
Got it.
Look at this. That's why I call it the bear pile up. Woo! So we're going to just pile this all over like this. Okay.
That
Look
is
at this.
enough to feed like 20.
Right. No, 4 guys. I'm talking 4 guys. This will feed. Okay. So then we're going to put some more shredded cheddar on there.
Got it.
All right. all over the top like this, right? Okay. Again, make sure your wife's not home because this is messy. Okay. So if she is home, make sure you clean it up. Okay. All right. So we got that cheese there.
All right.
All right.
Put that right
so
there.
we're gonna put that there. Then we're gonna put more cheese sauce, right? Oh my God.
Wow.
Woo! Look at this baby here. All right.
I don't think you've ever made nachos this big.
I don't think I've ever made nachos this big for us.
Yes.
But I have made them at home. All right, so we're just pouring that cheese sauce all over the top like that, okay? And then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do tomatoes.
Got it.
All right, on the top, right? We're gonna do tomatoes. We're gonna do more bacon, all right?
Love
all
it.
over the top like this, okay? We're gonna do more onions, okay?
You guys, this is incredible.
This is great, isn't it? All right, all I need is a fork. All right, now, gotta have a little lettuce on there, right? Okay, so we're just gonna throw some lettuce on top like that.
Love
All
it.
right, we're gonna get right on top there. Now we're gonna get into the Grillo pickle chips, right? Okay, as I said, I do like pickles, all right? So we got these nice chips we're just gonna put all over the top like this.
I like how you're using the big ones, not chopped up quite so
The
much.
chopped ones underneath, but these
Yeah.
right on top, okay? Again, drain them off, just put those right on top. All right, wait, we're not done. We're not done, okay, wait, one more thing. Then we're gonna kind of give it that cheeseburger thing going, right?
Oh,
Got a little
my
mustard on there, right? Okay, we're gonna add a little ketchup on there, right?
There you go.
Okay, yep. All right, so now we got some ketchup back and forth here. Oh, the Bears pile up! Featuring Grillo's Pickles, all right?
For
And
National Pickle Day.
for National Pickle Day. Hey, wait,
I know we've got quite a lineup.
oh my God, I think I got pickle groupies. You guys want to try the nachos? Come on up, I got pickle groupies. Do you believe that? Oh my God, I didn't think they knew about me. I didn't know I was such a big deal. Yeah. How you guys doing today?
Hi, this is gorgeous.
Here, you want a plate? I'll grab some. I'll grab some for you, right?
And a lot of napkins.
A lot of napkins.
Are you guys here for the grills?
Hey, I am here to see.
They're on sale. Buy one, get one free.
A lot of napkins, all right? So, okay, so let's dig in here. We're gonna
I'll
get
go
you.
ahead and take those napkins for you.
We'll get you some chips.
Perfect. All right, guys. Well, they are
Everything.
serving those up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for your
right.
chance to win a $50 Tony's Fresh Market gift card.
You're
We'll pick
welcome.
that winner on Friday, so don't forget to like, comment, and share
I
this
get a
video
lot of pickles on
for your
these?
chance to win a $50 Tony's
These
Fresh
are
Market
not the
gift
best
card.
cons.
You can also find
All right,
this
there you go.
recipe
All
in
right.
the link for this video.
Okay.
You don't want to miss out on this link because it's a really good one.
It's a really good one.
All right, guys.
Also, let's see how they think.
Give it a shot.
All right.
Delicious.
Nice. All right. So
I can't wait
remember,
till the football game.
tonight, Monday Night Football, the Bears pile up. Woo!
And definitely, you're gonna want to celebrate with us for that because we have National Pickle Day, we got football,
We got football.
we got Thanksgiving coming.
Oh my God, everything, right?
perfect.
Yeah. Hey, make sure they're going to join us probably next week sometime, and
Yes,
we're going to
sir.
do a Thanksgiving special.
That is
I will
right.
not be dressing up as a turkey.
No, you will not be dressing up as
'cause
turkey, but
I'm a turkey all the time.
all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, and thank you.
And thank you guys for coming and watching me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Have a great day, guys.